rubber seals used to work like a squeegee. And clear that up. So these strips are worn out and need to be changed. They're held in by one tab, and they can be pulled with a little force or pried out with a pry bar or a little interior trim tool or a screwdriver. So then it's just a matter of pulling with some force. Tip, this will be easier with the window down. Grab, and it tucks in under the mirror over there, so pull back. I have the full set of 4 here for my double cab truck, and they are window specific. Each stripping is for its own specific window. Here are the part numbers: driver front, driver rear, passenger front, passenger rear. Outside, I'll wipe down the area clean. The new one is going to slide into its channel. Go under that mirror. And then it'll align with a hole here and snap in place. Okay, that looks good. Now for our back one. Among the pillar, it has that same clip holding it in. So I'll use a pry bar. And that was easy. Took itself off. Cleaned this up, get a new one in. Right, the whole driver's side's done. I just do the same thing for the passenger side.